Hi there, I'm Dami, and I'm showing you a demo of my side project I made for my friends and myself about the World Cup 2014. This is a project for fun. Basically, everyone can predict the result of every match and earn some points if you predict it right. And the win-loss guess will also earn you some point, probably 1/3 of the total weight of that match. So if you're not familiar with the rule, you can click here. If you predict each group match correct, you earn 3 points. And as the game goes on, the weights go higher, and at at last, the top 3 players with high scores will be awarded this gift cards out of my pocket. So let's go back, and you can register here if you have not. Mm, but you can log in, and since I have my account, so I can log in. Okay, so this is the main page, and this is snapshot of someday between the quarterfinal and the semifinal, probably July 6th or July 5th. So this is because so here the past match is Netherlands just played with Costa Rica, and the next match is Brazil will will, will be playing against Germany. It's the first match of the semifinal. So basically, you can predict your result here. This is upcoming matches for the next 3 days. I've already made my guess, but I can update them. For example, Brazil will Brazil will lose to Germany like 0-3, and the Netherlands and Argentina. Netherlands probably will beat Argentina 1-0. So you can see the score is updated simultaneously because I'm using Angular.js for the front end, and I'm using uh, PHP for the backend, and MySQL for the storage. So I can submit, and if the timestamp has already passed the start time of the game, your submission will be rejected, just to prevent you from cheating. So you can refresh the page, and you can see that's my prediction because this data are retrieved from the database. And for side pod, you can also, at this point of time, you can, I open several side pods like who will be the top scorer, who will, this kind of stuff, which teams will enter the semifinal, and here we can predict their order, like the order of the final four. So I probably predict Brazil the third one, Germany predict Brazil the fourth one, Germany the first one, Netherlands the second one, and Argentina the third one. So let's make some different from the above. Netherlands third, and here, yeah, Netherlands third, Argentina two. Yeah, as you can see, it does not do any check, so you can predict both to be, yeah. Yeah, so let's make this one. Okay. This one to be fourth, second. Let's make Brazil to be first, Germany to be third, Netherlands fourth, and Argentina second. Yeah, okay. So I can submit. And your submission is successful, and if you refresh the page, you can see, okay, that's our prediction. From the security purpose, I use a session and cookie for the authentication. So if you open a new incognito window, you paste the URL, you're not allowed to log in. I mean, you have to log in to access the data. And here we have like 47 players, and some of them missed the time, so they're not allowed to guess because this page, the this part will disappear once the game started. So, uh, and you can also view the past guesses for everybody. This one, the first row is the real result, and here are the teams, and you have all your friends with their guesses. Some of them missed the time, so they don't have anything there. You can go back, and I create a cron job running every day early in the morning to send you some kind of tweets to remind you to make your prediction. So if I open it here, yeah, you can see here's the sample. Okay, dear Louis, your the upcoming matches for July 1st is like, and the next 2 days are this. You can go to my website to make any, to make your prediction, and that's that. That's the demo, and finally we have the winner. He's my roommate with the Amazon gift card, and here's the runner-up, third place, and also honorably mentioned. Basically, my friends are enjoying it very much. So this is the result analysis for our World Cup guessing club. I listed the trends for the top 5, top 10, and all the 47 players. So we'll see one by one. So now it's the top 5. So from this graph, you can tell, like I mentioned before, as the World Cup went on, the weight for each match goes up. So you can see if you predict any like semifinal or quarterfinal correct, you get a big boost here. And if you predict the final correctly, then you get a really big boost like this one, because that's 8 points plus 3 points win-loss scores. So totally it's like 11 points. And if you see the top 10, you can tell, okay, the top scorers are nothing special. They were just more active in participating in the game. So you can see they keep going up. But for the fifth, and for the players from 5th to 10th, for example, for this flat line, it seems like he forgot to fill in the form to make any prediction, and this flat line, so they are less active in participating in the game, and that's why they have lower scores. And this one is for all the 47 players. You can see some players just registered. Some of my friends just want to check out and registered, and they didn't make any prediction. They're not fan of World Cup. Yeah. So that wraps up the project. Okay, thank you.